So now my thought is we've got to work backward and create a frame for these. So I want to go ahead and build a frame. So this is like ends up being one piece, one window panel that we're going to put in the brick wall or the new rough opening. So the most important thing I think is getting it right with the brick. We got wiggle room in there to work with the rough opening, but the brick, you really got to go with your bond here. So hopefully this sitting here in my carport, but hopefully the bond is consistent all the way around the building, and I can use this as a template or a place to measure to make the frame for these. So the idea is that the outside of not this window, but the outside of the frame we're going to build, which is going to be 3/4 inch PVC, lines up with the edge of half of these bricks, and then of course we'll cut these bricks. So right now I'm going to move these around until it looks like they're hitting where I want it. I'll measure the brick from edge to edge. See if so that's 71 inches. Alright, before I go outside to this wall and start measuring brick, I want a reference point that's the same on the inside as it is on the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure halfway between these two trimmers here, and I'm going to drill a hole that goes through this wall and through the brick wall so that I have something to go by when I'm doing measurements and trying to find exactly where I'm going to position the window on the outside. There, in the center of the screen, is our reference hole on the outside of the brick. I'm going to go up there and measure, see if we have 71 inches between two certain bricks over there. Alright, I was about to make a huge mistake because I forgot to factor in the brick mold trim on the outside. So behind this brick mold will be a 3/4 piece of stock with probably a 1/4 inch reveal on this side. And that means we need, this is 2 inches exactly, plus 1/4. We need 2 1/4 inches plus a little for caulking. So let's do 2 1/2. That'll give us a 1/4 inch to work with. So we're going to add 2 1/2 inch space over there and 2 1/2 inch space over there. So that's going to bring these two windows together. We might end up having to go another half a brick, but we'll see.